Hello everyone, my name is Prathamesh Chandra Jagpal. I am studying in TY Electrical Diploma in Institute of Petrochemical Engineering Lodere. Our project topic is automatic gas stove. My team members' name is Shravan Suthar, Abhijit Shinde and Simran Gajmal. Our topic is automatic gas stove. Introduction. In India, more than 75% people use a gas stove. Means in India, more than 50 crore families are use a gas stove. Many people use a gas stove very carelessly, and because of this, many accidents are occur. In only India, 19,000 deaths in between 2010 to 2014 by the gas cylinder fires, according to the India Spain website in 2015. In ordinary gas stove, we use a manual knob to start, stop, and to fix the level of flame, and also use the ordinary lighter to ignite the gas. But sometimes the lighter get damaged or not work properly. Then we use a matchbox, which is very risky method to ignite the gas stove. In ordinary gas stove, all operations are operated manually, so the operator is directly involved in the operation. So there is no any safety between them. Sometimes we put some things on the cooking on the gas stove and forgetting to turn off the gas, so there is a wastage of gas and sometimes it causes serious accidents. Sometimes gas get leakage and we don't have any idea about this, and at these times if we ignite the spark, then it causes several fire. Suddenly many times our LPG gas get finished and we don't have any idea. This is also drawback of the system. So we conclude that some automation is required for the gas stove to overcome the drawback. Automatic gas stove. In the above slide, we see the many drawbacks of the ordinary gas stove. So in an automatic gas stove, above drawbacks which are overcome by the four features, they are listed below. First, using the electrical spark plugs to start and stop gas stove. Second, using the servo motor to adjust the gas level. Third, using the timer to automatically gas stove off. Fourth, using the gas sensor for the safety. First, instead of lighter for the ignition, we use the electrical spark plug for the automatic gas start by using the push button. More information of the spark plug. Electrical spark plug plays a very important role in an automatic gas stove. The speciality of the electrical spark plug, it converts the 3 volt input battery supply to the 13 kilovolt on the output terminal. The left hand image is the output terminal of the spark plug. Second, by using the servo motor, we adjust the flame as per our requirement with the help of the push button, high, medium, low. Working of the servo motor. The servo motor contains the potentiometer, motor drive IC, gears and motor. By the using of the potentiometer, the motor drive collect the angular data. Then the motor drive runs the motor as per the required angle, 30, 60, 120, 180. This is the image of the servo motor. The DC motor is used in the servo motor, and when the motor drive IC is also used, and this motor drive IC is connected to the potentiometer, and the potentiometer gives the angular data to the motor drive IC, and gearbox is used in the servo motor. This is plays a very important role because the gearbox increases the torque. Third, in the system, timer circuit is used to set the timer for turning off the gas stove and also include the display to show the time. Middle image, please set the time. It is means the approximately how many times are required to cook the food. This particular time is uploaded in the scale of hours and minute. Left side image, it is this image shows the gas stove on and running off after the 30 minutes. Right hand image, the gas stove off by the completing the timer. Fourth, as per the safety point of view, we use the gas sensor, which is sense the leakage gas and immediately turn off the gas stove, and also providing the indication display. The bottom image, see in the bottom image, the please alert gas is leakage. This signals after the gas is leakage. Main component is Arduino Nano. The main parts of the automatic gas stove is Arduino Nano. In above, all features is based on Arduino Nano. In Arduino Nano, 30 pins are present. The 8 pins are analog pins, 14 pins are digital pins, 2 reset pins, and 6 power pins. Main circuit of automatic gas stove. Content of a circuit: Arduino Nano. Second, 16x2 LCD display. Third, servo motor. Fourth, 9 push button, normally open. Fifth, connecting wires, and 6 battery. Actually working of the automatic gas stove. To operate the automatic gas stove, 9 push buttons are used. Two push buttons are connected to start and stop operation. When the start push button is pressed, the servo motor gives the 90-degree angle to the gas stove knob, and the same time the electrical spark plug is also on for 5 seconds by the help of the relay circuit. When the stop push button is pressed, the servo motor gives the 0-degree angle to the gas stove knob. Then the gas is turned off. 3 push buttons are conduct the high, medium, low operations of the gas level adjustment. When the high push button is pressed, motor gives the 120-degree angle to the gas stove knob. Similarly, the medium push button is pressed, servo motor gives the 150-degree angle to the gas stove knob, and the low push button is pressed, the servo motor gives the 180-degree angle to the gas stove knob. And next 4 buttons is operated the timer circuit. Separation of the 4 push buttons follows. First push button is set the time scale. Second push button is set the hour scale. Third push button is start the timer, and fourth push button the reset the timer. All push buttons is conduct the digital and analog pins of the Arduino, likely D1, D4, D7, A1 and A4, etc. When the gas sensor is high, then the servo motor give the 0-degree angle to the gas stove knob, and the gas is turned off automatically. Thank you.